Welcome to Spyder Auto's headlight installation guide for the Honda Accord. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a panel popper. Check out how Spyder projectors change the look of your Accord. Start by opening the hood. Remove the two Phillips retainers on either side of the grille. After removing the Phillips component, remove the two retainer plugs on either side of the grille. Before we move on, take a moment to apply painter's tape or masking tape to protect the paint while we're working. Remove the 10mm bolt securing the corner of the front bumper fascia. Then move on down and remove the lower 10mm bolt at the corner of the fascia. Moving to the center, remove the 4 plastic retainers here. Our test car was missing this hardware. With the bolts and retainers removed, now we can go ahead and unseat the front bumper fascia. Remove the 10mm bolt and the clamp plate from the upper headlight tab. Then remove the 10mm bolt securing the corner of the headlight bracket. Remove the two inner 10mm bolts securing the headlight bracket. Remove the headlight bracket, but hang on to it as we'll need it later. Go ahead and unseat the headlight. Then disconnect the low beam harness. Remove the turn signal socket. Disconnect the high beam harness. And remove the marker lamp socket. These are your headlamp adjuster locations. For information on how to wire the halos and more, check out the FAQs playlist on the Spyder Auto YouTube channel. Locate your Spyder headlight. Connect the high beam harness. Then connect the low beam harness. Reinstall the marker lamp socket. Then reinstall the turn signal socket. Then go ahead and seat the headlight. Reinstall the headlight bracket. Reinstall the 10mm bolt securing the bracket at the corner. Reinstall the two inner 10mm bolts securing the bracket. Reinstall the 10mm bolt and clamp plate securing the upper headlight tab. Now we can go ahead and seat the front bumper fascia. Reinstall the lower 10mm bolt at the corner of the fascia. Reinstall the 10mm bolt securing the corner of the front bumper fascia. Reinstall the 4 plastic retainers securing the under tray to the fascia. Then reinstall the 2 retainer plugs on either side of the grille opening. Next, reinstall the 2 Phillips retainers. Then just close the hood and you're done. Congratulations, you fitted your Honda Accord with a set of projector headlights from Spyder Auto.